Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adams8908, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the software which I use to record my screen. So in this video I will be showing you guys the settings which I use to generate the 1080p format video, as well as I will be sharing with you guys the direct link to download the setup file for this particular software. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started. So the name of the software which I use to record my screen is Open Broadcaster, and I believe that this is one of the very good software to record the screen. So earlier I used to record my screen using Cam Studio. The name of the software was Cam Studio, but many times I've noticed that using Cam Studio I was not able to generate the lengthy videos. When I used to record the lengthy videos and when I tried to stop the recording and when I tried to generate the output for that video, it used to give me crash lots of times. So I finally thought of changing the screen recording software. So I searched on internet and I saw this software there. So I recommend using this software because I've used this software for my first podcasting video, which was for GTA 5, the first, second and the third mission. So I've used the same software for that video, and that was my first time I've used this software, and I really felt that this software is a very useful tool in order to record the screen. So I'm going to show you guys the settings which I use with this software. So I will share with you guys the direct link to download this software, setup file for this software. So you guys can just click on the link down there and download the setup file for this software. Install the setup file and you will see this icon on the screen. Double click on the icon and you will see the same screen like this on your desktop. Once you see the screen, just click on the settings button. So first you're gonna have to set up the output and everything here in order to start recording the screen. So once you click on the settings button there, you will see all these options at the left hand side. So in general, so this option was not there, so I'm gonna just remove the option. So I'm using this software for the second time in this computer, so I've done the settings earlier. I will show you guys the settings which I use. I personally prefer. If you guys want, you guys can just go to the internet and check the settings which you guys can prefer for your video. So once you go to general, once you highlight this general, you will see the settings profile untitled. So what I do is I just name it 1080p, so that next time when I want to record the screen, start with the next video, I just have to come here in general and just select the 1080p and all the settings will be set up directly. We are creating a new profile here, so I'm gonna name it 1080p and I'm gonna add this 1080p here. Once I have done this, I need to go to encoding. Now in encoding, so this is the crucial part. This is this is something which will take effect in your recording thing. So you're gonna have to make sure you will put 8000 here in order to go for 1080p, because 8000 means 8 MB, and for 1080p you're gonna need the maximum bit rate for 8 MB. That's what the website says, the maximum bit rate for different video formats. I will show you guys two settings. One is for 1080p, you have to put in 8000, and for if you want to record your screen in 1080p 60 fps, then you're gonna have to put in 12,000. Yeah, 12,000 is for 60 fps, 1080p 60 fps. There is one more setting for 14,000. I think that this is for 1440p. But yes, I don't prefer that option. I just prefer 1080p because I think that 1080p works great when it comes to YouTube videos. So I personally prefer 8000 for 1080p. Now here in this bitrate, this is for audio encoding. So 320 is the recommended bitrate, so I always go for 320 in order to record a good quality audio. We are done with the encoding. Now we're gonna have to go to broadcast setting. So in this broadcast setting, there is nothing much to do in this tab. Just change this live stream to file output only. Now here it is asking us to select the destination where you want to save the output and it's also asking us to select the video format in which you want to save your video. So if you guys are having multiple hard drives in your computer, it's better to select the other hard drive, because the thing is, like, you guys are running your operating system in the same hard drive, and if you are selecting the destination as the same hard drive, that sometimes makes the process a little bit laggy, because you guys are recording the screen, it's working on something, as well as your computer is running the operating system at the same time. So it is recommended to select the different hard drive. So once you are in the save as folder, in file name just put in the $sign, and in here it will be by default in the FLV format. So you can select the MP4 file format and you can click on save. So this will change the output path for your video. Now go to video tab. So if you change every time if you change the option, it will give you option for yes or no in order to save the settings for that particular option. So just click on yes, and so when it comes to video, at the top here it will show you your graphics card, and for base resolution you first have to check your desktop resolution, your display resolution. So just go to display settings and check your display resolution. So in my case, the maximum resolution recommended is 1600 into 900. So, and this is the recommended resolution for my display. So in your case, if this thing has not detected the display resolution, you guys can go ahead and change it as per your recommended resolution settings for your display. So if you guys have selected 12,000 there in the encoding option, you guys can change the FPS. I have selected 8,000 as my maximum bitrate. That's the reason why it's showing me 30 FPS here. If you have selected the 12,000 option, by default it should show the 60 FPS option here. But if you don't see 60 FPS, you guys can just manually go ahead and type in 60, but in my case I'm not doing that because I have selected 8,000 as my maximum bitrate for my video. So yeah, I'm done with this. Now I'm gonna go to audio. So you see it's asking me to save the settings, save the changes. So I'm gonna click on yes in order to apply the changes. I am in the audio option now. Here it's asking me to select the desktop audio device. Keeping on default worked fine for me, so please don't touch this. When it comes to microphone auxiliary audio device, it's asking you to select the recording device. So if you guys have connected your microphone device to your computer, you guys can select that microphone in order to record the audio using the same software. So this is my microphone, so I'm going to select this microphone here, and in case if it has not detected your microphone, you guys can click on reinitialize. So that will actually refresh the this table, and it will bring up your microphone in this in this drop down box. So don't touch all of these settings, keep all these settings as it is. Just move further to hotkeys. Now click yes. So in hotkeys I make changes to only these two options, which says start recording and stop recording. So for start recording I personally prefer F1, and for stop recording I always prefer F2, because these two buttons are very handy, and you can just press the button and start the recording, and that actually works really fine for me. So I prefer F1 and F2. So yeah, we are actually done with the settings and all. Don't go for advanced, because that's something which is not so necessary for a basic user. So according to me, the settings which I have done till now works really great for me, and we are done with it. So I'm gonna click on apply, and then I'm gonna click on OK. So we are done with the settings, and now we have to add the profile in order to record the screen. Right click in the source box here and click on add. Once you click on add, it will give you different options. So click on monitor capture. Once you click on monitor capture, just rename it. So I just keep it as it is. It doesn't matter for me, just keep it as it is. So once you click on OK, it will give you this box. Don't change anything from this box, just click on OK, and the profile has been generated. So if you want to check how the screen will look, just click on the preview screen and I will show you the preview of the screen. Just click on stop preview in order to stop the preview of the screen. Now these two boxes will help you to increase and decrease the volume level for your microphone and your system volume. So if you decrease the volume for your microphone, this will actually decrease the recording volume for this software, and if you decrease the volume for your system, it will decrease the volume for your system output. That means if you want to make a podcast for a video game, the video game sound will decrease. And I personally suggest, if you guys are recording, if you guys want to go for podcasting, and if you guys want to record your gameplay, I personally suggest you guys to lower down this volume to 28 or else to 20. It's like the game volume by default is very louder, so you guys won't be able to listen to your own voice. If you want to go for a game, just keep this volume minimum as you can. Keep your microphone volume maximum as you can, because again, depends upon your microphone. If you guys are using microphone which is really sensitive, you guys can keep this microphone volume full, or else depends upon your microphone quality. I use Audacity, so right now currently I am recording my audio using Audacity. It gives me flexibility to apply the noise cancellation. Also, I keep Audacity running at the background and I record my screen. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you guys have any questions in regards to this video, you guys can type in your comments in the comments box down there. If you guys want me to make more videos like this, please subscribe for my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video. If you guys subscribe for my channel, you guys will be getting the updates about my latest videos. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in next one. Peace.